तो गाइस मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ DMZ, दैट इज़ डीमिलिटराइज्ड जोन. सो इट इज़ द border between North Korea and South Korea. So it's going to be an exciting journey. So let me just briefly tell you the history. तो 1950 से 1953 में कोरियन वॉर हुआ. After World War II, it was clash between the Soviet Russia, which gave support to the North Korea, and United States, which gave support to the South Korea. So 1953 में there was an armistice agreement. So the Koreans are still at war with each other since 1953, for last maybe 70 years. And now they've made this demilitarized zone where 2.5 miles north and 2.5 miles south you cannot keep weapons. तो देखते हैं कैसा है. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Hi, my name is Michelle. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, 7:30. We are heading to North Korea. Ashin and I. 7:30 in the morning. Everybody is sleeping, but we are going there. Let's go.
Let's go to North Korea. As you can see, it is 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning, so the streets are empty, and we are heading fast towards the demilitarized zone.
500m 앞 성수사거리 분자교 반면 오른쪽 직진입니다.
The road which we are heading on is called the Freedom Road. This road goes towards North Korea. So this is the parking place and the gondola center. You can see gondolas running. Those go all the way north towards the end point of the DMZ. And unfortunately we took the wrong parking lot, so we have to walk. So we are going to take this gondola. Hi. Towards the DMZ and see the locals. Oh.
To Pyongyang, 160 kilometers.
160 kilometers to Pyongyang? Oh.
With this bridge, we can drive to the North Korea, Kaesong and Pyongyang with this bridge.
This is the bridge of no return.
Direct bridge, but
This
it's
is
stopped.
this is the bridge of no return, I think. So you can see this bridge on the left, and this is broken during the war. So as you can see here on the river, some of the parts of the bridge are entirely broken. We are directly above the river.
This river is starting. It's connected to Hangang River. It's starting here.
Okay. So what is the name of this river?
Imjingang.
Imjingang. Okay. Imjingang. Yeah, so this is the last town at the border where native citizens are actually living, and they do some farming, I think, and these are all their farms. And I think the rice that is grown here is sold as DMZ rice.
Yeah, very famous.
Yeah, very famous in Korea, DMZ rice.
Ironically, this is very peaceful
Oh yes.
morning and everything looks so calm.
Yeah.
But some part is broken.
So now we have come to the Imjingang Observation Center, and we can just take a bird's eye view at the DMZ area. And I bet there is hardly anybody. So me and Michelle are the only two people over here on this rooftop. And me, the gondolas, and this is the Imjingang. It's a tributary to Hangang, and if you take this side on the right, you go straight into North Korea. We are planning to sit on that table and have some snacks. And you can see the sign that that can be landmines. So we are going to have snacks near the landmines now. Let's see. So yeah, the threat is real now. I think you can see the landmines are planted here. So I'm not sure whether we should go there. But let's just try to explore, because there is a way made, so I don't think we will be stepping on a landmine. I think behind that fence there will be landmines. Oh yeah, so many signs. Yeah, let's not go there. Maybe so many signs showing landmines, so I think we are not supposed to go in that area. So many landmines are going to be there. I don't want to risk my life right now. So this is our breakfast table with Korean milk and Korean mines. So as you can see, this sign says that you can be shot. So I don't want to go there. This is the forbidden area with landmines and where you can be shot. So better to avoid that part. So you can see this sign. This sign says behind this fence there can be mines anywhere. So we have to be cautious and travel only on the areas which are designated. This is Imjingang River Peace Observatory. Everything is peace. Peace gondola, peace village, peace observatory. We just hope that there is peace always. So this on the left is the broken bridge which was broken during the war, and on the right you have this railway bridge. The train from here can directly go to Pyongyang. So after this unique visit, we are going back to the tourist information center, and from there we have a monorail towards the actual DMZ and actual border area.
곤돌라 진행 방향에서 북동쪽에 보이는 교량이 개성과 평양을 육로로 갈 수 있는 통일대교입니다. 1998년 현대그룹 정지영
Wow,
회장이
look at that
선대를
car.
몰고 방북한 뒤로
This
유명합니다.
one.
Oh,
The
yeah.
army keeping
This army post.
북한산적 537호 고구려 산성인 덕진산성이 위치해 있습니다.
So many a times what happens is, if any citizen from North Korea tries to escape the country, they cannot come from the land, so they will just jump in this Imjingang river and carry a white flag. So when these military checkposts see a person with white flag, they know it's a citizen from North Korea who is defecting the country, so they don't shoot them. So this is the train track which can go all the way up to Pyongyang. If we take a train from here, we'll go to Pyongyang directly. Wow. And there is this cafe where locals whose family got divided between North and South Korea would come here and have makgeolli, that is traditional rice wine, but now they have renovated into a cafe. American and South Korean flags. And I think it's a memorial for the victims of the war. This memorial has been built. Oh, it is built as a gratitude towards the United States of America for their sacrifices. I think we can take a toy train from here. We can take that train. We can get on that train. So I think they have converted it into an amusement park. The peace train. And I think the flags of all the nations who took part in the war. Unfortunately, I'm not able to see India. It was the train which used to run from South Korea to North Korea before the war, and now it has just come to halt. So the symbol says "Let me run again." So the Korean people have a dream of unification of the Korean peninsula, and they hope one day they might achieve it. And there's amusement park over here. This is a locomotive which was broken during the Korean War. You can see how it has been broken into pieces. K-Song and Soul.
Yeah.
This is the bridge that was broken during the Korean War, and they say if the two Koreas are to unite, this bridge will be restored. As you can see, there's one new bridge for the train, and then this is the broken one, and you can see numerous bullet marks with red dots. Right now it is so peaceful, but you can imagine how it was during the actual war. We are sitting in a which will take us to the actual DMZ area. So as you can see, this Korean soldier just took our identity cards, and now we will be allowed to go to Pamunjan. That is the last town near the border.
여기 지금 그 지나가는 다리가 통일대교입니다. 통일대교. 이 다리를 제일 처음으로 건너가신 분이 그거 계시죠. 지금은 그 고인이 되신 현대 정주영 그 회장님이 소떼와 함께 그러니까 소떼를 태우고 가기 위해서 이게 현대건설에서 지어서 국가에다가 기증했어요. 기증하고 제일 처음으로 그 지나갔었죠. 두 번에 걸쳐서 이제 한국으로 온다. 한국에서 판문점을 통해서 북으로 간다 하면 전부 다 이쪽 길로 이 통일대교를 이제 지나서 갔습니다. 좌우측에 이제 흐르는 강은 임진강이에요. 임진강은 항복, 참깨, 장어 그런 게 그.
Now we are at the Dora Observatory, from where you can observe directly into the North Korean land. If you can see, this is the area of South Korea, Okay, and then and here there are binoculars where we can see North Korea. So right now we are directly seeing the North Korea. This entire land belongs to North Korea. So we can build a theater to see the North Korean side. Here everything is North Korea. And this is one of the unique places in the world to visit. So it is the map of what to see. Oh, see the flags. So they gave us a lock to keep our luggage and mobile phone. We can't take it inside, so I cannot film inside. We are using this monorail, which you can see in the back, to go to the border area. So let's see. DMZ में हमने monorail वाला option choose किया था. You can either walk into the third infiltration tunnel or you can go by monorail. So we chose monorail. So it takes you underground around 300 meters and then you have a tunnel, which was built by North Koreans during the infiltration bid to enter the South Korean side. So cameras and everything are not allowed and it's very cramped up and you have to bend and then go inside the tunnel. So बहुत ही मुश्किल था. I don't know how they did it. और ज़मीन के नीचे था, so it was so cold. और the ceiling of the tunnel was leaking with water. So I don't know what happens in the when there is actually rains, but it was a different experience altogether. Amazing. So this is the DMZ area, and on the back you can see the monorail station, which takes you to the tunnel. And this is our bus. And if you see on this side, this is the walkway. So if you don't want to take monorail, you can walk to the tunnel. And as you can see at the back, this is the Dora Observatory where we had gone before, and you can see the North Korean side very clearly from there. So हमारा tour खत्म हो गया. We could not go to Pamunjan because this was not included in the tour. Pamunjan मतलब जो आप usually देखते हो ना, that Trump और Kim Jong-un ने shake hand किया. So all that place is Pamunjan, but it is very difficult to get access there, especially during Corona. So we could not go to Pamunjan. So we could just go to third infiltration tunnel and the Dora Observatory. And now we are back to our base. Such a nice weather and amazing landscape. Can you see the kite flying? Amazing. Now people here say they want unification. Many hope that there will be unification of the Korean Peninsula one day. Let's see what happens. But till that time, let us just enjoy South Korea.